a chicken fried. Open on a Friday night, red jeans and fit just right, and radio I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine. That's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine, where the peaches grow. My house is not much to talk about, but it's filled with love has grown up southern ground. And here on Friday night, red jeans and fit just right. It's little things in life that mean the most. Now where you live, cause you drive with a price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree to have a drink with me, get your glass up for a toast to a little bit of chicken. On Friday night, the paper jeans and fit just right, and the radio like to see sunlight. Feel love in my woman's eyes, feel a touch on the pressure of this child. Mother
So I just said that Chris, after 25 years, retired from the Charles County Sheriff's Department, which are actually pulling some dude over right now, which is pretty sweet. But I too recently retired after 23 years in the United States Air Force. And yeah. And I can tell you all beyond a shadow of a doubt that we live in the greatest country in the world, because I've been to a lot of countries that really suck.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we just want to take a minute and give a shout out to all of our service members out there with this next verse here.
Hey, Ryan,
yeah.
These people start getting up when you said Air Force. They must be Marines or Army.
I don't know, they're leaving, bro. They're leaving. But you know what? I thank God for my life and for the stars and the stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones who give their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love. Everybody put one finger up in the air. Give a one finger salute to those who've lost their lives for freedom. Coming up on Memorial Day weekend, I've lost some brothers over there. I've lost some sisters protecting the very freedom for you guys to act like knuckleheads. Give them a moment of silence here real quick. And our chicken fried. Here on a Friday night, the red jeans and fit just right, and the radio like some sunlight. She loving all the time. She touching precious time. Let's mix it up. Let's go. Come on. You know I love my chicken fried. According to me on a Friday night.